So this is not my hair dryer, it's my husband's hair dryer and I see him setting his hair every day with his hair dryer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lot of chatting and grooming. Today I'm going to curl my hair using a hair dryer. Now this hair dryer is a Vega Pro Expert hair dryer and this is of 2200 watts. This hair dryer comes with 3 different attachments and I think I'm going to use this one to curl my hair. I have seen a lot of YouTube videos where they use this particular tool, curl their hair, and it's like super fast technique of curling your hair and with super natural beachy kind of a wave. So I just thought I wanted to try how this turns out. So this is more like an experiment kind of a video where I want to try for myself and see whether this tool works as it is supposed to, as it is shown on the videos. Disclaimer, this is also my first time trying this tool and trying to understand how this will work, so figure shit out on the way as we do the curls. But nevertheless, I'm very excited. Without further ado, let's dive right in. This is Varsha from Life Hacks Pro. Okay, so a hair update. I washed my hair basically last night. What I used as a shampoo is basically this Dove shampoo, which is Dove Beautiful Curls. I got this recently and I've been using it from some time now, and with that I usually combine this. This is Deep Repair Treatment Conditioner. This shampoo, which is like a sulfate free shampoo, it lathers well your hair, your scalp feels clean once you use this shampoo. I have been doing this from some time now and the results are amazing. 8 out of 10 to this shampoo. 10-in-1 Deep Repair Conditioner by Dove, and my hair feels absolutely soft. You can see I've done nothing to the hair, like I have not touched any kind of tool, and this is how the hair feels. They are shiny, they are nice, amazing. My hair still smells of the conditioner, which is like smelling fresh and nice, which means it's a very good thing. When it comes to masks, this I think is a very good mask in a very good price range. That's about the product, how I got my hair ready. Okay, alright, let's get the hair ready to do the curls. What I'm going to do is basically I'm going to try and damp my hair a little bit so that I have a good base to start with. I don't want it to be very dry because I just feel like most of those tutorials that I saw on YouTube about this tool, they always had their hair a bit damp. I think this is good enough. We'll do the same thing on the other side. While I damp my other side of the hair, let's chit chat. So recently I was like really sick and I was going through this treatment which kind of made me go really off wagon with everything. I was not able to do any of the routines, not able to do journaling, not able to do anything. Like literally I was so much in pain that I was on the bed all the time. At that point of time I kind of realized that mindset makes so much of a difference in your day, how your mood is and everything. So I was just thinking that at that point of time all I had was my mindset to make me feel good and energized and everything. And then I realized that we as human beings are our own worst critics, you know, like we always underestimate ourselves. We always keep telling ourselves that, you know what, you're not good enough, you need to try more and all of that. At such point of time when I was so sick, you know, really low because I'm judging myself for everything, that I'm not able to get up to do my routines, I'm falling back on my goal achieving. So if I was thinking just that, I think I would have been so demotivated and I would have been so low. I was not in a space to do anything, not in a mood to do anything. I was not able to think about anything at that point of time. It was getting to me, the fact that I was not able to carry out my usual routine and everything. And at that point of time, working on my mindset made so much of a difference. Okay, I think now the hair is nice and wet. I think I can start my whole curling thing. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this L'Oreal leave-in conditioner. I have been using this for a long time and I always use this. This is like my favorite leave-in conditioner. So I will just quickly take some conditioner and I am going to put it here. So at that point of time when I was, you know, feeling really bad that I'm not able to do anything, what I did was I worked on my mindset because I just think it helped me so much. So I made sure that I reminded myself that, you know, I still have a lot to be grateful for. I made sure I did my gratitude every day, and each day, you know, I was feeling less pain. I had my mother to help with things, and people were caring so much for me. So I have so much I had to be thankful for. It really shouldn't just be like, oh shit, I'm not able to do anything, I'm not good enough, all of those things. Changing your mindset can change your mood. The moment I started practicing gratitude on a daily basis, I was practicing affirmations. I am going to get well soon and I'm going to achieve what I want to with 2x speed this time. I started feeling much more better and much nicer. So I have my hair dryer here. Then I'm going to attach this. Tie this part of the hair. This is my heat protectant spray. I've just filled a small bottle. I like to keep it handy. So I'm quickly going to nicely spray my hair. Now I'm going to use this tool. I will just make sure that I'm parts of this because I think this is a major chunk of hair over here. I'm going to work with this amount of hair. I think this looks good. I'm just going to use this thing and just put it here. So I'm going to now put the hair dryer on. Let's try it once more. I am just going to like so, and this looks good to me. Now I'm going to use my Dove Beautiful Curls gel sort of serum. It's like a defining serum. What I will do is I will just take some of this and then just scrunch it so that my hair will hold all of those curls that I have got from the hair dryer. I am just going to repeat the process again. I think the curls are looking really good. How my hair is looking, this natural curly hair sort of a look. I'm going to do the same thing with the back. Honestly, I'm using this for the first time, so I'm also learning on the go. The result that I'm getting, it's looking damn nice, and it has like a really nice natural looking sort of a feel to it. I will just make sure that I kind of again tie all of this up. So simple things that I did to kind of work on my mindset was basically, like I already said, I was doing my gratitude. I was just resting the whole day, so I was meditating. I was listening to a lot of podcast, doing a lot of affirmations. So I made the most of the time that I had free, still feel a little bit productive and feel nice and work on my mindset that way. So next step is to actually work on this side. So I'll just wet it a little bit more. So I will make sure that my hair is nice and ready. And this section I don't need to divide because it's already a smaller section. Get it in. Okay, so from my understanding so far, these pokey things that are there, you need to kind of make sure that your hair is around these pokey things, and then you just blast it with a lot of heat, and then that's how you get the result. I think this method is going to be my go-to. I'm really liking the result. So whenever I want to do something quickly, I think I will definitely look forward to this method. All right, I am super happy with how the curls are looking. Okay, so you guys, I am ready. I am loving the way my hair looks. It is so simple and easy to kind of create this curly hair look, and I feel like it is so natural and nice. My hair is not completely dry right now, but I think once they are dried, they are going to look so good. In case you feel that you need a little more definition, I think you can do something like this. Just roll your hair in this fashion, hold it for some time, and then just leave it. And I think that gives a little bit more definition to the hair. It helps your hair to understand which direction it needs to flow. You can also apply some serum if required. These things are kind of doing their job really well. It has some kind of smell to it, which I'm not really a very big fan of. That's it, you guys. That's it for the video. I am done curling my hair, and I totally love this particular method. So much volume. I am loving it. I hope you liked all the chit chat while we were curling our hair and grooming. Definitely feel that mindset is everything, and the first thing that you need to work upon is the mindset. That is what will give you a lot of energy and motivation to start doing whatever that is that you want to achieve in life. Make sure you subscribe my channel and come back for more videos like this. Life Hacks Pro signing off. Bye.